Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. On my way home from work, I suddenly stopped when I saw a few peace lilies thrown by the roadside. What surprised me was that they weren't wilted at all. The leaves were still green, even quite fresh, as if they had only been discarded not long ago. I wondered, why would such healthy plants be thrown away? Without hesitation, I picked them up and brought them home with a simple thought. If cared for properly, they could definitely thrive even more. Using simple ingredients that anyone can find in the kitchen, I'm going to show you an incredibly easy organic formula that anyone can make. Let's get started. After bringing the plants home, the first step I took was pruning away any old, damaged, or non-recoverable roots and leaves. This helps remove weakened parts, reduce the risk of fungal infection, and allows the plant to focus its nutrients on healthy growth, stimulating new roots and leaves more effectively. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I rinse the plant under clean water with gentle pressure. This helps remove dirt, old soil, and impurities stuck to the roots and leaves, while also reducing harmful bacteria and fungi. As a result, the plant becomes cleaner, creating better conditions for recovery and improving the effectiveness of the next steps. Then, I place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. This helps the plant stabilize after handling, reducing water loss, and preventing shock. Meanwhile, I prepared an organic fertilizer solution. The first ingredient I used was garlic powder. Garlic powder contains natural antibacterial compounds, especially allicin, which helps inhibit fungi and harmful bacteria. I prepared a clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of garlic powder into the cup. Then, I poured in about 500 milliliters of hot water to dissolve the garlic powder, helping extract its active compounds more effectively. I stirred well, so the garlic powder dispersed evenly, creating a uniform solution that enhances its antibacterial effectiveness and helps protect the plant from harmful microbes. Finally, I covered the cup and let the solution steep for 1 hour. While waiting, I prepared the planting medium carefully, selecting and treating materials to ensure optimal growing conditions. With the current soil pot, it is important to improve the soil structure, ensuring looseness and good internal drainage, helping the root system remain well aerated, limiting root suffocation or waterlogging, thereby creating conditions for the plant to grow healthy and stable. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After about 1 hour, once the solution had completely cooled, I filtered it to remove all residue. Keeping only the clear liquid to ensure maximum effectiveness and prevent clogging or absorption issues. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Next, I added 1 liter of room temperature water to dilute the solution. Now we have a garlic solution ready for disinfecting the plant. I poured this solution into a plastic cup, as shown in the video. Once the plant was completely dry, I placed the entire root system into the prepared solution, ensuring all roots were fully submerged for proper absorption. Next, I used a soft cotton pad dipped in the garlic solution to gently wipe all the leaves. This step helps clean dirt, remove bacteria and fungi on the leaf surface, improve photosynthesis, and support healthier growth. Finally, I soaked the plant in the garlic solution for about 15 minutes to enhance its antibacterial protection and eliminate any remaining pathogens. During this time, I poured the remaining garlic solution into a spray bottle and applied it to other plants in the garden. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. This garlic solution helps disinfect, suppress fungal diseases, repel certain pests, and boost the plant's natural resistance, promoting healthier growth and reducing the spread of disease. In addition to peace lily, I also applied this solution to anthurium plants. Anthuriums are quite sensitive to fungi and bacteria, especially in humid conditions or crowded planting environments. Using garlic solution helps disinfect, suppress mold, clean leaf surfaces, and improve nutrient absorption, thereby strengthening the plant's natural resistance. As a result, anthuriums maintain vibrant green leaves, avoid root rot, and grow more stably over time. After about 15 minutes, I gently removed the plant from the garlic solution. Then I used a clean, soft cloth to carefully dry each leaf without damaging the plant tissue. This step removes excess solution, prevents residue buildup, helps leaves dry faster, and improves photosynthesis, allowing the plant to stabilize more quickly. Now comes the most important step, repotting the plant. I prepared a suitable pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. This is the soil pot I prepared earlier. First, I added a layer of loose soil at the bottom to allow excess water to drain easily. This layer also acts as a base that supports root growth. Next, I placed the plant in the center of the pot, adjusting it so the roots were evenly spread and not bent or compressed. Then I added more soil around the roots, gently filling gaps and lightly pressing to secure the plant without damaging the roots. This layer helps retain moisture, gradually provide nutrients, and create a stable foundation for strong root development and long-term growth. And that's it. The plant has been successfully repotted. Finally, place the plant in a cool, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight so it can stabilize after repotting. After about 3 to 5 days, once the plant begins to stabilize, I prepared a rice-based organic fertilizer to provide nutrients. Rice contains starch, B vitamins, and essential micronutrients that, when properly prepared, create an easily absorbable nutrient source. I prepared a clean glass cup, then added about 3 tablespoons of rice. Next, I poured in 500 milliliters of room temperature water to preserve the natural nutrients. I stirred well to release nutrients into the water, creating a natural solution that supports root development and stable growth. Then, I filtered out all the rice residue, keeping only the clear liquid. This is a natural organic fertilizer, rich in nutrients. Next, I poured the solution into a watering can and evenly watered the peace lily. This rice solution provides starch, vitamins, and micronutrients, while also supporting beneficial microorganisms in the soil, improving nutrient absorption, stimulating growth, and promoting healthy leaves and natural flowering. Results. In just a few days, from a plant that had been thrown out by its previous owner, it has now begun to stabilize and adapt well to the new environment. The leaves grow longer, the leaf blades expand, turning a darker green and becoming noticeably thicker with a glossy and healthy surface. Yellowing or wilting has almost completely disappeared, replaced by freshness and clear vitality in every leaf. These are the plants I cared for using the same method. Dark green leaves with a glossy surface, minimizing yellowing or leaf burn. Roots grow dense and strong, with minimal rot and excellent nutrient absorption. Flowers form evenly, with brighter colors and longer-lasting blooms compared to usual. What do you think about these results? Have you ever used garlic powder and rice to care for your plants? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you in the next videos on Great Garden.